Welcome back to Digital Pro Productions. If you're preparing for the FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Test, understanding crew resource management, or CRM, and aeronautical decision making, or ADM, is crucial. These topics focus on human factors that influence flight safety. Everything from risk management to decision making under stress. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to identify hazards, manage risks, and make safer decisions during your drone operations. First, let's discuss risk management and situational awareness. Risk management is all about identifying potential hazards before they become a problem. Situational awareness is your ability to perceive what's happening around you, understand the implications, and anticipate future issues. As a drone pilot, this means checking weather, airspace restrictions, obstacles, and even your own physical and mental readiness before each flight. Next, let's talk about hazard identification and mitigation. Hazards can be anything from obstacles, poor weather, or technical malfunctions to fatigue and stress. Once hazards are identified, mitigation is the next step. This could mean changing your flight path, delaying the flight, or adjusting your drone settings to reduce risk. Remember, a safe pilot always has a plan to reduce risks before they escalate. Even if you're flying solo, crew coordination and communication are key concepts under CRM. Effective CRM involves sharing information clearly, coordinating with other pilots or observers, and using standard communication protocols. For larger operations with multiple team members, coordination ensures everyone knows their roles, reducing the chance of accidents. Finally, let's cover stress, fatigue, and decision-making models. The DECIDE model is a common framework. Detect the problem, estimate the need to act, choose a course of action, identify potential consequences, do take action, evaluate the outcome. By following this model, you can make structured, safer decisions, even under pressure or fatigue. Let's recap the major points for CRM and ADM on your Part 107 test. 1. Manage risk and maintain situational awareness. 2. Identify hazards and mitigate them proactively. 3. Coordinate and communicate effectively with your crew or observers. 4. Use structured decision-making, like the DECIDE model, to handle stress and fatigue. Mastering these human factors not only helps you pass the FAA Part 107 exam, it also ensures you operate safely and professionally in the National Airspace System. If this video helped you study, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more FAA Part 107 prep videos from Digital Pro Productions.